Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the Agri-Fab Lawn Sweeper.
Whether you are picking up lawn clippings or collecting all the leaves, it's always super annoying, but having this lawn sweep gets the job done quicker and more convenient and easier. It's a simple pin, clicks right in, and then there you have it. You have your lawn sweeper. It's this really big basket that keeps everything together. I use it in the spring and in the fall. It's able to hold all the lawn clippings and leaves in there. Has a big basket and really big brushes at the end of it, and it's super easy to empty. You just pull it and it topples right over, empties everything else. I use it on a tractor and on a zero-turn lawnmower, and it fits on everything. It makes doing your yard so much easier.
If you need some help with getting your yard done in the fall and the spring and the summer, every single season, this lawn sweeper is going to make your life so much easier, and that's my point of view.